Hello, I'm Coldcrazylogic, and today on Math Comp Mondays we have this problem. Shauna takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. Her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. In order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she can earn on one of the 2 other tests? And this is from the 2019 AMC 8 problem 7, and this is a problem that only 37% of participants got right. So let's go ahead and get right into the problem. Okay, without further delay, let's get into the problem. So the first thing you want to do with all math competition problems is read the question carefully. So we have that Shauna takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points, which is the average test. Her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. Those will come into play later. And in order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she could earn on one of the 2 other tests? So we need to average 81 for all 5 tests. What this means is she needs to reach a total point value when you add all the tests up of 405. Then we have that her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. And if we add this up, we end up getting the total point value for the first 2 tests. And that will just equal 257. So we have these 2 values, one of them being the total point value for 5 tests, and the other one being the total point value for the first 3 tests. So if we subtract these 2 values, we'll get the total point value for the last 2 tests. And this will just equal 148. And now we need to optimize this to our advantage. So we need the lowest score she could earn, which is the minimum. So we want to split this up into the minimum and the maximum point values. And in this case, the maximum point value is 100. So if we just subtract 100 from this, we end up getting 48, which is the lowest point values you can possibly earn on one of the tests. So that's all for this solution. Just using a simple trick, we can solve this problem in seconds. Now, if this way is not your forte, you're in luck, because I have another solution for you, and let's go ahead and get right into that. Okay, so this trick involves something called comparison, which basically you want to compare these test scores to the average. So we have the test score 81 as the average, and the scores are 76, 94, 87, and for the last 2, like I said before, we want to maximize one, so that would be 100, and we'll put a question mark here since we don't know what that is yet. So we have 81 and minus 76, we get 5. 81 minus 94, we get negative 13. 81 minus 87 is just negative 6. 81 minus 100 is just negative 19. And 81 minus this question mark is just something. So the goal with comparison is when you add these numbers up, you should get 0. Hence why this is the average. So we have 5 plus negative 13 plus negative 6 plus negative 19, and then we'll put plus x, where x is just a variable we don't know. And this should equal 0. So adding this side up, we eventually get negative 33 plus x equals 0. So this means x has to equal 33. But this is not all for the solution. So what 33 means is 81 minus question mark equals 33. So we write that out. And we'll get the answer that question mark is equal to 48, which is the same answer as before. So please be sure to subscribe down below and share this video with all your friends and challenge them to solve this middle school math competition problem. And I'll be sure to see you Friday, where I'll be talking about a new multiplication trick. And I'll have the video right up here or in the description for more information. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye!